Today looks like a crime-free day, right, Kali? Let's hope so, but that day has not happened yet, African Rhino.
Someone help me!
There's danger near African Rhino. Let's check it out.
Please leave me alone. I want to go home. Someone help me.
Shut up, dweeb. You're not going anywhere.
Yeah, you're not going anywhere, man.
We must help that kid, Kali. Yes, we do. Let's do it. If you mad at us, you mad at God. Leave the kid alone, or else.
I'm about to kick your butt, Kali Muscle.
What is going on? Who are you?
We are here to help you.
Thank you so much, sir. But who are you?
I am Phantom Rhino, and this is my friend Kali Muscle. We protect the innocent from bad people. Bullying is not okay. Now you get home safely, and do you have a sense of direction to get home?
Yes, I do, and I usually use my cane, but I'm ashamed of it. I think it makes me look handicapped.
You should not feel that way. What is your name?
Nicholas.
Well, Nicholas, some things are designed to help us in life, and your cane is to guide you through life challenges and gives you a sense of direction. You should never be ashamed of who you are.
You're right. Thanks, Phantom Rhino and Kali Muscle.
Well, Kali Muscle, another life change, and now we can go eat.